chief guest, our head teacher, my fellow people at large, good afternoon. First of all, I would like to wish you a Women's Day, all of you. Of course, as you know all, today is a very special day for all the women. And therefore, I have a lot to say. The person I want to talk to is Nandere, I mean my mom. Of course, she is a woman, and in that silence, her memory becomes more than any voice around me. I am already grateful for all the women, especially our mothers, for the heart they have, the way they love, the way they treat people. They are pure indeed. It's all a blessing to love a woman. Everyone has a friend during each stage. But it is really lucky to have a woman. I mean a mother has your same and best friend in all stages of your life. A woman is a person who has two faces when she is sad or unhappy. She tries to hide it and show happiness on her face, yet deep inside she is hurt. A woman bears all the pain, everything, even though what happens. She still doesn't give up on her children, even though the world against her. The word mother means million things she gave me, only that she's growing old. The tears she shed for me to save me, heart of the purest gold. Everything she gives me is like God, remains right and always he will remain. And all I say is that I am just of my fellow ladies, congratulating them for reaching this wonderful Women's Day. To all women, no matter what happens, stay strong to always support the truth. Women, we are like gold. That's all I have to say. Thank you for the time given to me to and achieve by the names of Nagawa Abigail Julia.